it's really important to promote mental health in the workplace, because I think as an employer we've got a real responsibility to raise awareness. I think there is still generally a stigma around mental health, and the more that we can do to get the message out there that it's okay to talk, then I think the better that would be.
We at Trowers have done a lot actually with regards to mental health and wellbeing. We make a real effort to embed wellbeing into the culture of the firm, and it's really not a tick box exercise for us. We very much advocate a total approach to wellbeing, so encompassing the physical, mental, financial and social aspects of wellbeing.
I think the firm has taken its support for mental health and its support for CILEx generally really very seriously, and I think that does differentiate us from other firms. All of the training that we've rolled out and our commitment to having as many first aiders that assess mental health as well as physical health, I think is a real positive, and I've not heard of many other firms doing such.
So firstly, what I think differentiates Trowers from other competitors and other law firms is that wellbeing is very much part of the culture. It's not just a tick box, it's embedded and it has a lot of board support. And it just shows that Trowers really values their people.
The steps that the firm have taken in relation to mental health and wellbeing support I think have been phenomenal. The training of mental health first aiders, the provision of training around wellbeing, etc. has been, I think, had a really big effect, and that's been led from the top down.
Good mental health and wellbeing improves resilience as well, and clearly in a law firm we're exposed to stressors every day, such as workloads and deadlines. And the more that we can empower our staff to try and manage their own stress and mental well-being, the better they'll perform, but the happier that they'll be at work as well.
We introduced quite a number of years ago now something called the Lifestyle Hour, and that's an hour that people can take whenever they wish during the working week to do what they want to do with it. So it might be leaving an hour early, it might be doing an extended lunch to meet somebody for lunch, or coming in later in the morning. That's gone down very well.
We were one of the first law firms to sign up to Time to Change. And that really shows how progressive Trowers have been in the market. We are also within the top 10 of Britain's healthiest workplace, and year on year we know that there's more engagement through the surveys that we conduct internally within Trowers, but also externally by working with our number of different partnerships.
It's about making sure that there is enough care and support in what can be a really stressful environment with a lot of pressure and where we have to deliver what our clients need, but making sure that people feel supported at all levels in the organisation.
With the help of our HR team, enable people to stay at work, so where we've had people who have had mental health issues, traditionally perhaps they might have been signed off work, and that may not be the right course of action for that individual. So we've been working with individuals over the last couple of years now to help that individual stay at work with the support that they actually need.
I think that you will always achieve a better buy-in from your staff if they can see that you're willing to support them in whatever they're going through.
We're really proud to be a finalist in this category. We're doing a lot of work in this area and everyone's putting a lot of effort in, and it's worth it. It's showing in results in the workplace, but it's great to be recognised as well.
I think it really shows the true essence of Trowers. I mean, wellbeing is embedded into the culture of Trowers. People really do care about other people. That shows in our daily working. So I think to actually be one of the finalists is real for Trowers.